Hi everyone. So after the CMA results were declared, there are many students who couldn't get through, who couldn't pass, and they feel themselves like a loser. So let me tell you all, we never lose. Either we win or we learn. So get going as a learned person. Now, one question that I've been asked the most across different platforms like YT, Insta is, ma'am, should I go for re-verification? Is there any chance of clearing a group or getting an exemption? Well, yes, there are chances. If you apply, you may pass. If you don't, you're already fail. But is it worth it? In what conditions should we apply for re-verification? I mean, not almost every student is going to go for it, right? See, re-verification is only checking the total and not how your answers are going to be evaluated or how they have been evaluated. The quality of checking isn't questioned. So there are very less and rare chance of an increase. But yes, miracles have happened in the past and many students have passed because of the same. Now, in my opinion, your focus should only be to either get an exemption or clear a group, right? You shouldn't apply for re-verification if you'll be needing more than 15 marks to get through any exemption or clearing a group. If somehow your total in a group is less than 190, there is less chance, very less chance that you will pass. And if in that situation you will go for re-verification, a part of you will always be thinking about it and not giving you 100% in studies. Plus, of course, it involves a cost. Right. Now, let me take a few examples to make you understand better. These are a few examples of the students who have asked me that, ma'am, whether in this particular situation I should apply for re-verification or not. So if this is the mark sheet, okay, you cannot see it. Okay, I hope now you can see it. Let's say if this is the mark sheet of a particular student, right? What do you think? He should apply for re-verification or not? Well, he may apply for re-verification for paper 13 and paper 14. That is what I would suggest, because in paper 13 you can aim for an exemption and paper 14 is must to clear the entire group, right? If the marks do not reach till 40, you can definitely not clear, and in total you need 6 marks, right? So somehow there are chances that he may get through, but very less chances, right? If in any subject you were expecting some marks, okay, let's say you were expecting 75 marks or 70 marks, and somehow you have got 40 marks, 39 marks, right? So it's far below your expectations. Then in that particular subject, you can apply for re-verification even if the gap is huge, right? But then provided, I would suggest that maybe you have scored 39 in a particular subject wherein you were expecting somewhat 70, 75, and in total you have crossed more than 200, right? If that is the situation, then you should apply for re-verification even in that subject, because there are chances that maybe in a question you haven't been awarded marks. Okay, in this case, let me say, there is another case. Now, here you have to decide which subject you had very high hopes. If there is none, it's pointless, right? But if you do not have any financial crunch and you want to go for re-verification, you may go for all the subjects in this particular case. Okay, so there might be chances. See, in every subject there is totaling error where very less chances are there, right? And in one subject there will be totaling error of somewhat 8 marks, that is also less chance, right? And you're not very confident in any paper that, oh my god, how can I score 48 marks in paper 13? This is just impossible. You don't have that thought process, right? Because it's like, okay, oh fine, okay, so you should not waste your time in re-verification. Okay, if you feel, okay, given my performance I could have got these marks, but taking a chance might bring some positive news, go for re-verification. For those students who are unable to figure out why have they got such low marks, right? If you feel you are in that range where there is a possibility of increase and you can pass, then apply for re-verification plus get your certified copies. If you're not in that range, that no matter what, I don't think there is any chance of re-verification and passing, any chance of positive result in re-verification and passing, then only apply for certified copies. So there are three set of students who are going for re-verification. Set number one, who are okay with the result, who accept their result and who feel that yes, this could be possible. Maybe 1 mark could increase. Maybe I could have got 3 more marks or something like that, right? They can apply for re-verification in general of all the subjects. If you don't have a financial crunch, right, or if you're close, there are chances that maybe if there is a totaling error, you can pass. Then there are students who feel that no, there is a huge and a drastic difference between what I expected and what I have got, given you trust your intellect. Okay. So in that situation, you should apply for re-verification plus get your certified copies if there is a possibility of passing. If there is no possibility of passing and yet you feel that I'm unable to figure out why have I got such low marks, then you should apply only for certified copies. How you can do it, I hope you know the procedure, but definitely on the website, right, ICMAI website, you will see there is a procedure. In the examination tab, there is a procedure for verification of answer papers, and there is a procedure for obtaining certified photocopy of answer scripts. So this is the link through which you can apply. Very simple. You have 30 days to go for re-verification and 21 days to get your certified copies, right? So the last date is 12th March 2025. It is 250 per paper. The application is going to be a consolidated one for whatever subjects you want. So you can name the subjects that for these subjects I want the re-verification to be done, right? So through this link you can do that. The link will be there in the description also for your reference, right? So although there is no hurry for applying for re-verification, you have time to think, but yet I would suggest that make this move a quick one. You shouldn't waste time, because till the time you don't apply for re-verification, there will be a constant pressure in your mind. And no matter what you do, remember, it shouldn't take away your peace and focus. Re-verification results may take up to 2 months. So you cannot sit idle and wait for it, right? Let your hopes take a back seat, study and prepare like you have to give your exams, right? So wish you all the very best. Hope you take a good decision for yourself. And in case you don't have much financial crunch, I would suggest that it's okay to apply for re-verification. It gives you mental peace. It will not fill your life with regrets ahead. And but of course, it should be a wise move. Expecting an increase of 20 marks, 30 marks is not advisable at all. In that situation, I would recommend that apply for certified copies, right? Hope the video was helpful. Thank you, everyone. Take care.